Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to play in a FIDE Online Arena, also known as Word Chess, and how to get the titles and the step-by-step going. First, you have to create your account, you know, just log in with, no, you can create an account here, you can use an Apple, Google, Facebook, or email, you can use your email. After that, you have created your account. Let's say you created your account. Then you have to get to a pro membership. You have to buy to a pro membership. It's really cost like only $7 for a month, and try to get it in a month. And after you get your pro membership, okay, let me log into my account. There you go. I got my account. Then what you need to do next is create a FIDE ID. FIDE ID. So you just need to verify your name, the federation. If you already have one, if you already have one, like one, if you already have like a FIDE ID, you just put. You don't have to do verifications. And you need to get a selfie of you holding your national ID with a piece of paper. You know, yeah, and just if you don't have national ID, you can put a passport. And by the way, if you're under 13 years old, you can get your parent or guardian to give a consent to you to give a national ID and take a picture with them so you can get a FIDE ID. And after you get it, everything the process. Now you can now play. You can now play anything. If you want to get an ACM, you need to maintain a ELO of 1,100 and maintain it for either 50 rapid games, 100 blitz games, or 150 bullet games. I prefer the bullet because it's faster and you can get it easily. But if you're not a bullet player, you can just play rapid 50 games. And if you want to get AFM 1400, it's the same. You want to get if you want to get AIM, you want to get if you want to get AIM, you will get um you will need 1700, and if you want AGM you need 2000. So if you maintain that for the certain number of games, and you can get the title immediately. Okay, let me show you guys my FIDE ID. This is my FIDE ID. I'm an Arena FIDE Master. It's not licensed yet. It's not. You cannot play with this when you're playing a real over the board FIDE rated tournament. You still gotta extra fees for tournament organizers that are applicable in Arena FIDE Master. And yeah, just try to maintain it. You can look at my profile, and they will provide you. You look at this Arena FIDE Master, and they will give you a certificate here. Will give you a certificate. I got two. I got two of them. An Arena Candidate Master and Arena FIDE Master. It's very fun, Like you can play with it like very very fast. Like I will show you guys a game. I will play one bullet game for you guys. I'm still like AFM, so I don't even care anymore. I'm just gonna show you guys how to how what are they skill set for playing. No games are going, by the way. Okay, let's look at there we go. There we go. I'm playing an ACM here. Just I finished this, by the way, with bullet, and and in like a couple of seconds they will give you the certificate immediately. These players are not that weak. They're very underrated. Okay, bishop takes e6. After low elo, they're very strong. Might just blunder there. Okay, maybe a draw. Okay, I can give you that. Okay, he mouse flipped. takes like here. C5 takes queen here, right here. Takes here. It's easy to get the AI. I got it in one day, by the way. I got it in one day. Easy one day. As you see, people are watching my games. Oh my freaking goodness me. Ay, ay, ay. Oh goodness. Goodness, I'm too slow. Oh my. Ah! Yikes. I thrown on a wasting winning position here. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, I showed you guys, like, it's very, very easy to get. So, yeah. I'll show you this tutorial.